You don't need to know how the hip valley button works to be a great framer. But if you do want to get a little bit better at your craft, here's how it works.
Let's start off with a simple plan view drawing of a hip roof. Here's my ridge, and here's my outside corner with eaves at a 90-degree angle. From the plans, I should know the pitch of both sections of the roof. And the hip valley button will give me the length of this hip rafter here. And along with both pitches, I only need to know one of the runs. To make sense of the hip and valley button, let's consider a cube. Here I've drawn in the side view of this rafter. And now we can visualize that rafter's pitch. And we could do the same with the adjacent roof section. Now we can see that the length of the hip rafter will really just be a diagonal between opposite corners of a cube. So on the Construction Master Pro, all you have to do is put in your first pitch, and then you only need to enter the run of one section of the roof. Now the pitch of the adjacent section can be entered, and then push the hip valley button, and there's your hip rafter, just like the diagonal of a cube.